All right, so this is a continuation of commission. Question one: Angelina earns 5% commission on all electronics she sells at Electric World. On Monday, she sold a television for $1,130 and a DVR that cost $325. What was the total she earned in commission? All right, so let's underline or highlight keywords. So she gets 5% commission on all electronics she sells at Electric World. On Monday, she sold a TV for $1,130 and a DVR that's $325. What was the total she earned in commission? All right, so if we were to draw a picture, we start with a box. This represents our total, which is 100%, and 100% is her total sales. Now, you might think that her total is $1,130 or $325, but you have to remember the total sales, so we have to find the sum of those two numbers. So if we add $1,130 and $325, we get $1,455. Okay? So now Angelina, she's going to get 5% of that, a piece of that total. So this box right here represents her commission, which is 5%. And right here, the 95% is what the store keeps. All right, so to find out what Angelina earns off commission, we simply need to take 5% of the total, which is $1,455. All right, if we use the proportion that we used in the do together, it's going to be what we know equals what we want to know. And make sure you keep the units lined up. I like to write it over here just so I don't mess it up. I'm going to have dollars over percents. All right. One thing we know is that our total is 100%, and that's $1,455. All right. So money's over percent. 1,455 over 100% equals what we want to know. Well, we want to know what 5% is. So on the right side of my proportion, I'm going to have X dollars over 5% commission. All right, cross multiply. 5 times 1,455, you get 72.75 equals 100 times X, that's 100X. Divide by the coefficient, and we're left with X equals 72.75. which is $72.75. This is Angelina's 5% commission. So Angelina earns $72.75 after selling $1,455 worth of electronics. If we wanted to calculate this another way, we could take our percentage, which was 5%. 5% as a decimal, remember we divide by 100, and that's going to be 0.05. And all we need to do with this number is multiply 0.05 times 1455, and we get 72.75. And this is exactly what we got using our proportion. Alright, thanks for watching. Next video will include harder examples.